எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நம்ம இன்னைக்கு கிறிஸ்மஸ் gift unboxing பண்றத பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம்.
The Christmas tree is 4 feet and we bought that for rupees 850 rupees. It was well packed. It has 2 parts and let me show you each one of the parts and how to fix it. Here you can see the first part and the next one is the second part, and we have a stand to have a grip and to hold the Christmas tree. In between, my 2-year-old was just checking on the caps we bought for her. So now let's see how to fix the Christmas tree. First we have to take the one part and we have to join with another part. Join both the parts first. We have space on the middle so it gets fixed well, and then we have to go for the stand. There is a beautiful stand. It helps the Christmas tree to stand on the ground stronger, and there was 3 screws to tighten up the stand to have a heavy grip on the ground. First let's screw up the stand well. Make sure the screw is tight. That's beautiful. My 2-year-old daughter was trying to fix the screw. Now we are tightening the third screw. Now let's fix the Christmas tree on the stand. Wow, that's a beautiful Christmas tree. Now it's ready. The 4 feet Christmas tree. This Christmas tree has come with green color, and we bought, especially we want to have some snow feeling since we have Christmas on the December. So it was an awesome Christmas tree and 4 feet. So now we have saw the complete Christmas tree. Let's move on to the decorative items. Now let's see the beautiful stars. It was 64 rupees. There was beautiful stars. For 64 rupees it comes with 4 pieces, and they have beautiful rope, and if we tie that in the Christmas tree it looks much beautiful. Let's move on to the next gift. For rupees 35 we have bought 6 bells to hang on the Christmas tree.
Beautiful this is bells. இது வந்து ரொம்ப அழகா இந்த bells. This is beautiful bells. I like it.
Now let's see Santa Claus for 45 rupees, and we have 6 pieces. Wow, beautiful Santas. Next we have two beautiful Santas for 70 rupees and 45 rupees. Wow, this will be an awesome gift for the kids. What is next? Wow, there comes a beautiful decorative items. Wow, this is a very interesting decorative items. Your kids will definitely love this. There were beautiful balls, small Santa Clauses, gifts, music instruments, and there was colorful fruits, and we have there was a slogan also, Merry Christmas. Wow, that's a beautiful gift. And we'll see what is the next one. Next gift we bought is 6 angels for rupees 40. Valentina, you like it?
Yes.
Valentina, is the angels beautiful?
Yes, Mom. This is beautiful.
You'll enjoy this Christmas?
Yes, Mom.
Very good. Let's see the next gift. Next next thing we have bought is a beautiful written Merry Christmas with wonderful bells and flowers. When the Christmas tree is decorated on the night, this gives a pretty look on the Christmas tree. This is 125 rupees. Next beautiful thing is 2 crowns. We have planned to arrange for a skit and a drama, so we bought 2 crowns. Now we have unboxed almost all the gifts. Well,
Friends, if this video,
Friends, like this video, you share your friends and your relatives. Subscribe.